my friend, are you looking to get free movies and TV shows on your Amazon Fire TV stick? Check this out, guys. Let's start off. We need to head to the search icon to download a program called Downloader. This program gives us the ability to sideload applications onto your Amazon Fire TV stick. Apps that may not be available through the Amazon App Store. So click on Downloader. I already own it, you may not, so get it, download it, and install it. Once it's installed, hit the home button. We're going to enable Downloader to be able to sideload applications. Some people consider this jailbreaking. So head over to the settings icon on the far right and then come down to My Fire TV. I have developer options here listed. If you do not, highlight About, click on it, and then highlight Fire TV Stick, the top one. Use your remote, click it multiple times, and then now it says you are a developer. Welcome. We can back out once, and now developer options is listed. Click on developer options and highlight install unknown apps and click on it, and then Downloader should pop up. It currently says off, and let's turn it on. Push the home button on your remote to go back to the home screen. Now let's find Downloader. Back at our home screen, come to the 3 squares plus sign. This is your apps and games section. Find Downloader, use the 3-line button on your remote, and we can move Downloader to the front. This will be our new app store. So as you can tell, back at the home screen, Downloader's up front. We can click on Downloader, open it up. Say allow to allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on your device. And then we can say OK to the quick start guide. Now here we can type in under the search term or short code. We have a short code to type in. 370178 and click go. This is a shortcut to the Let by the Unknown website, the download section, where you can find these awesome applications for movies, TV shows, live TV, sports, you name it. You want it, we can get it. Once the little 5-second redirect is completed, you can actually just use the 3-line button on your remote and then add current page to the favorites, and this shortcuts the section, and you no longer have to wait for the 5-second redirect. So we can hit save, and now it's saved in the favorites, which is on the left side there in the orange, the favorites section. Now here in the app, now here on the downloads page, there's a couple of video tutorials, check them out, and some how-tos and top 5s and whatnot. So today we're going to look for the best movies, TV shows, applications. So head down. As you can see here, movies, TV shows, live TV. Today I'm just a quick demo. Hit like Zumo, and it'll go to the Zumo download page. We can head down. Guys, get out your smartphone, take a picture of this QR code, get 86% off up to 5 free months on Surfshark VPN. And then if you continue down here, the download Zumo TV, Amazon version, Android version, mobile phones for either application. We're doing on the Amazon stick, so click on that, hit the install, Once it's installed, hit the back button and delete the downloaded application file, as we no longer need it. We don't need it to take up space on our Fire Stick, right? Then we hit back to the home screen. And if you go back to your apps and games section, the 3 squares plus sign, and then find Xumo Play, open it up. It should open up right there for you, and away you go. Check out all those other applications available to download. Xumo Play, a bunch of great movies and TV shows. We got recommended favorites, a live TV guide, networks, sports are on here, you name it. It's a great application for all of the above. Just go quick here through some of the apps, like local networks, Xumo only videos or networks. Bunch of stuff, guys. Sports and you name it. Okay? Enjoy. Peace.